swim. It's so cold outside. Oh, we're gonna go catch a ferry. You're gonna be swimming if you're not.
Head northeast.
You're gonna be swimming to. You're gonna be swimming. Swimming. You're gonna be swimming to Kangaroo Island if you don't hurry up.
Yeah.
So slow.
Good one.
Yeah. Good one. It's the ferry.
Who's the fool now?
Bought yourself a coat, didn't buy me a coat. Very nice.
It's not doing it now. Oh, yuck. It's making me dizzy. Oh, we're on a rocky boat. Oh my god, you can see. Jesus. Oh god. This is so rocky. Oh, my teeth. Oh my god. Holy. It's like a roller coaster. We've got 45 minutes of this. 45 minutes.
I know.
Longest roller coaster in history. Oh my gosh. AirPods for me, so I don't have to listen to anyone being sick and throw it myself. This one's struggling. So many people get seasick. This is awful. Thank God I've got headphones, so we throwing up everywhere. Feeling better, honey?
No. This is the worst ferry ride I've ever been on in my life.
It's so rough.
I don't get seasick, but today I was like, ooh. I didn't throw up. I didn't throw up. But I was feeling it.
I won't hold your hair back. I'll be gone.
Wow, considerate. And then she gets sick from the sound of people being sick. And she had no headphones. And everyone behind us is throwing up. Everyone.
Never seen so many people throw up on a boat. Poor people.
There was one kid, just one kid. He threw up and he caused a chain reaction. And everyone panicking, running.
Here we are, Kangaroo Island. Exciting, waiting to get off. Can't wait. Looking forward to getting on dry land. Oh God, what a rocky journey.
We've set foot on Kangaroo Island in one piece. In one piece.
Look what we found! Penguins! A penguin! Oh my god, gloves?
I think they were birds. I don't think they were penguins. I never want to get on that boat ever again. I'm flying off the island. I'm flying. Sealing, more like seasick. Apparently on Kangaroo Island all the drivers are insane as well. Then he crashed into each other.
Off to see the penguins. Look at that, it's beautiful. Oh, do they usually sit on the rocks? I bet there's none. They're all around the other side. Wow. Pretty.
What those little plaques?
No. They're hidden. The plaques are about the sculpture.
Oh, how are they hidden?
I don't know. I've not found it.
Get it.
God. Very Very cute. Look at the views. Ooh. Right there. This is the view on the little sculpture trail. Very pretty. Woo. Off we go. Ooh. Tell you what, it's chilly here, but it's beautiful, and it is the perfect weather for walking around, ain't it?
Ain't it, yeah.
Can you spot the little Roo hiding? Here he is, fluffy boy. Hello. Oh, it's pretty and bright.
Time for food.
Food time. Oh, it's beautiful.
Look at that view. Beautiful.
Oh, that is.
Plunge into the sea. Oh, look at that. That thing there. Oh, yeah. And that view's not bad either. Right, this might be a bad idea because there's probably snakes in here, but I saw a watch, so I'm curious. Let's see what it is. Heidelberg.
Whoosh! Oh, whoosh! Oh, it's a big spider. Oi! There's a sign saying not to walk up on this bit. You have to go on the wet bit so you don't kill the nests.
Oh, I don't know if I should be even going in here. There could be all sorts of snakes hidden. Oh. designated photographer. Doing a good job? Show me. Oh yeah, good job.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Action shots.
Good one.
Nice.
Chilly willies.
Let's freeze it. I dare you to run. Run out there. Go, go, go! Get wet. She nearly put us in that bush because of a fly. A little fly. Are you ready to walk up a mad amount of stairs?
No.
This might have been a bad decision. This may have been a terrible decision. There are so many stairs. Oh, look at that. You know, we're relatively fit. Why is this so hard? This is like that little Uluru mountain we walked up. You know, little lookout. Not a bad view so far though. Let's go! Huh? You tripped. Don't fall, it's a long way down. Come on, no time for resting. How many steps do you think there are? Guess. You think 250? I reckon 450. It's so good. Oh, we made it! Rocky music! Woo! Go on! Go, go! Go! Ah, look at the sweat! Woo. 3, 4, 5, 100, 300.
Let's count the steps.
One eternity later.
Okay, so how many steps do you think that was?
I said 250.
You said 250?
Yeah.
I thought you said 350.
No, I said 250.
We'll look back. 250. I reckon 450. So you said 250, I said
490.
oh, well, it is 353.
Oh, really?
That's a lot of steps.
Oh, that is.
Yes, I counted every single step. 353 steps. 410 including these. I won that. You said 250, it was 353 metal stairs, and then including the other stairs, 410. I won both ways. What do I win? What do I win? I win dinner. My legs are like a jelly. How are yours?
Same. Like on a full ground.
No, I can't stand up straight. I'm like,
It's a simple ground.
oi, do me a favor and don't make a mess. I don't want to pick up after you. We stopped for a peaceful picnic. Can you hear that? They're chopping trees. Terrible.
Chopping trees.
Chopping trees. Terrible. We haven't even started cooking and we're being swarmed by seagulls. You want some? I'll give it ya. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh.
Oh yeah, look at it. Good job.
No! It wasn't my fault. This is why I don't shed. We got like 5 packs of backups. Nice and easy. Oh, oh, don't mess it up. Oh yeah, I'm stuffed. Good meal. Let's go explore. You ready to try some honey? Honey ice cream. Ooh, look. You ready to you tasted it?
No,
You,
lick the lid.
mate, it was meant to be a surprise, both taste at the same time, and you already licked the lid. Well, how was it?
Yummy.
How was it?
Delicious. I
Yeah.
had a little lick. I'll show you now. Honey.
Tastes like honey. Cold honey.
It's very sweet.
Very sweet. That's exactly how I expected it to taste.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Literally.
Probably should have bought 2.
No. Cold? I bet it is. Yeah, Bibba. Not going far. Oh, it's freezing. I'm not going further.
Sinking. I'm sinking.
Lucky. Good night.
Yeah. Good
It's getting
night.
dark, it means bedtime.
I'm gonna say good night. Bye.